Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Assault. Assault. Assault means attack. For example, his imprisonment for an assault on the film director. His imprisonment for an assault on the film director. Synonyms: violence, physical violence, battery. Assembly. Assembly. Assembly means gathering of people. For example, an assembly of scholars and poets. An assembly of scholars and poets. Synonyms: gathering, meeting, congregation. Assertion. Assertion. Assertion means confident and forceful statement of fact or belief. For example, his assertion that his father had deserted the family. His assertion that his father had deserted the family. Synonyms: declaration, contention, statement. Assurance. Assurance. Assurance means promise. For example, he gave an assurance that work would not recommence until Wednesday. He gave an assurance that work would not recommence until Wednesday. Synonyms: word of honor, word, guarantee. Asylum. Asylum. Asylum means protection granted to someone who has left their country as political refugee. For example, she applied for asylum and was granted refugee status. She applied for asylum and was granted refugee status. Synonyms: refuge, sanctuary, shelter. Atrocity. Atrocity. Atrocity means extremely wicked or cruel act. For example, war atrocities. War atrocities. Synonyms: act of barbarity, act of brutality, act of savagery. Attendance. Attendance. Attendance means action or state of going regularly to or being present at place or event. For example, my attendance at church was very irregular. My attendance at church was very irregular. Synonyms: presence, appearance, attending. Attorney. Attorney. Attorney means lawyer. For example, he's an attorney who has a practice in San Diego. He's an attorney who has a practice in San Diego. Synonyms: lawyer, legal practitioner, legal executive. Attribute. Attribute. Attribute means characteristic quality or feature. For example, flexibility and mobility are the key attributes of our Army. Flexibility and mobility are the key attributes of our Army. Synonyms: quality, feature, characteristic. Audit. Audit. Audit means inspection of accounts. For example, audits can't be expected to detect every fraud. Audits can't be expected to detect every fraud. Auto. Auto. Auto means car. For example, The auto industry. The auto industry. Synonyms: automobile, motor, machine. Autonomy. Autonomy. Autonomy means freedom of country etc. to govern itself. For example, Tatarstan demanded greater autonomy within the Russian Federation. Tatarstan demanded greater autonomy within the Russian Federation. Availability. Availability. Availability means quality of being able to be used or obtained. For example, turkey producers had been losing sales because of the all-year-round availability of beef. Turkey producers had been losing sales because of the all-year-round availability of beef. Backdrop. Backdrop. Backdrop means painted cloth hung at back of theater stage as part of scenery. For example, someday I believe she will be painting the backdrops for them. Someday I believe she will be painting the backdrops for them. Synonyms: stage set, set, flats. Backing. Backing. Backing means support. For example, he accepted the backing of the police group. He accepted the backing of the police group. Synonyms: support, help, assistance. Backup. Backup. Backup means support. For example, no police backup could be expected. No police backup could be expected. Synonyms: help, support, assistance. Bail. Bail. Bail means temporary release of accused person awaiting trial. For example, he has been released on bail. He has been released on bail. Synonyms: surety, security, collateral. Ballot. Ballot. Ballot means system of secret voting. For example, the commissioners were elected by ballot. The commissioners were elected by ballot. Synonyms: public vote, plebiscite, popular vote. Banner. Banner. Banner means strip of cloth bearing slogan or design. For example, students waved banners and chanted slogans. Students waved banners and chanted slogans. Synonyms: placard, sign, poster. Base. Base. Base means common European freshwater perch. For example, he acquired his nickname singing the bass harmony second voice. He acquired his nickname singing the bass harmony second voice.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.